What are you doing?
Mom.
Hmm?
I want you to give me a bag. Hold on.
Oh, you need Mommy to hold them for you? Why do I need to hold them?
So I can put candy in them.
Why are you putting candy in them?
Because
What are we going to do with that candy?
I want to give them to people.
When?
Because.
When?
I don't know.
On Halloween?
Yep.
When do you give it to the people? Don't open that.
For the great pumpkin was on the pumpkin patch.
Are you going to have a pumpkin patch soon?
Yes.
Did we wait kind of late before to plant pumpkins?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mom, I want you to hold these now.
Okay. Now what?
I want you to come hold these for me. Please.
Okay.